You wanna know what I've been doing this week? I've been chicken setting. And let me see if I can turn this around. Okay, I can't turn it around. Here we go. I think I'm bonding with these chickens. They come and greet me when I'm coming. Hello, girlies. Hello, girlies and boys. Are y'all waiting on something? Are y'all waiting on me? You waiting on me? Okay, let's go. I'll go get you something. Here we go. Look what I got. Follow me. Come on, here we go. Come on, girls. Okay, you ready? There you go. How about it, sisters? What are you doing down here? There you go. Now we go gather some eggs. Hey, Gert. Hey, Gert. Get back up there. Get back up there where you belong. Get back up there with the rest of them. And now we go see how many eggs we got. Oh, boy. Look at there. Look at here. Look at here. Nope, none there. Okay, come on. I'm gonna go eat some grass. Come on, girls. Come on. Come on. Come on out. Come on. Now we gotta get some water. Now we go. Rinse out their bowls. Give them a little bit of water. Never been a chicken farmer before, but it ain't too bad. What are you doing over there, Gert? You playing hide and go seek in the garden? Don't fight, don't fight. Where are you going? Wrong way. Well, this is what they're going to do for a while. Okay, y'all have fun. What are you doing back in there? What are you doing back in there? You're supposed to be out here eating grass. Y'all behave. Come home when it gets dark. You hear me? Come home when it gets dark. Get up. It's time to farm. It's time to feed the chickens and let them out of the coop. Good morning, ladies. Ready for breakfast? Fill these up a little bit. Good morning, ladies. sleepyhead. Here we come out late. Did you oversleep? Why are you eating this? This is last night's leftovers. Get over and eat your breakfast. Don't sass me. Crazy chickens. Anyway, this is what I've been doing this week. And I have to say I've thoroughly enjoyed it. But look here, you know what this is? This is the moon and it's 7 a.m. It's too early for me. I'm going back to bed.